Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you my top 5 healthy habits that have changed my life. Sorry if there's a glare on my glasses, I tried to film this before with my glasses off and I couldn't think, so we're gonna do it again with glasses. So some of these seem pretty simple and cliche, you could say, but they really have changed my life. Like if you try these for 21 days, you will see a big difference in your life. So before we start the video, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below something that you have done that has changed your life. So my first habit that I have done for a long time now, and it has made the biggest difference in my life, is starting my day with gratitude and ending my day with appreciation. So what I like to do first thing when I wake up is turn on my subliminals so that I am programming my mind to think positive things and manifesting versus all of the things that I have to do that day or all of the things that stress me out. So while I'm journaling, I will have that on a low volume next to me, and I will just journal and stay in a high vibe and start my day off on the right foot with gratitude versus focusing on all of the bad things that could be happening. And when I go to bed, I like to reflect on my day and give thanks for everything that has happened that day. And I also like to listen to subliminals while I go to sleep, and that way it puts me in a better headspace when I wake up. So number 2 is my physical health. Focusing on my physical health has helped so much, and I don't know where I would be at if I didn't. And something that I have learned a lot lately in the past year is focusing on enjoying the journey versus trying to get somewhere so fast. Just have fun and enjoy the moment and the journey. That's the whole point of a journey. Just slow down and enjoy all of the things that go on when your body is changing and when you are trying to become a healthier, better version of yourself. So number 3 kind of ties in with number 2. It is also prioritizing how you feel versus how you look. Something that has changed my life personally is eating cleaner foods and eating foods that make me feel good after, because when you eat good foods, it makes you feel good, and when you feel good, you'll do things, you'll step more into things that make you feel productive and happy. So my 4th habit, and this is important, I have talked about this before in previous videos. So surrounding yourself with people who inspire you and help you grow and support you in your dreams and goals is so important. And I have noticed that surrounding myself with people like that has helped me so much in growing and evolving as a person and wanting to do big things in my life, because without those people that I am around and I continue to surround myself with, I probably would not be where I'm at. So surround yourself with good people who uplift you and support you in your dreams and goals. And my last tip for you guys is to stop worrying about what other people are doing. All of your energy that you're putting out thinking about other people or what they're doing, what you think they should be doing, you can bring that energy back into yourself and focus on you, focus on your goals and what you want to do in the future, and using that energy towards something productive versus something that is wasting your time and does not do any good for you or that other person. So use that energy and create space within yourself and focus on what you want to do in your life instead of what others are doing. That has helped me a lot, and trying to stay drama-free is very important as well, because when you get rid of all of the outside world and you can actually focus on what you want to do and what you want to create. So those are my top 5 habits that have changed my life personally. You don't have to do these things, or if you want, you can try them and see how much they change your life. But I just feel like personally these have changed mine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It does help my channel a ton. So comment down below something that you guys do to change your life. I would love to see your responses. I'm so grateful you took the time out of your day to watch this video, and I just want to say thank you, and I hope you have a beautiful day, night, evening, whatever time it is for you guys. Alright, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!